Okay.
So I've used Zen Windows. This is the second time using them to replace all the windows in my house. Set up, request, getting the information for the quotes for the rates were no hassle, easy, straightforward. The installation was done quicker than expected. Same day, within about 4 weeks after ordering. Custom color. People come in, they're professional. Make sure everything's clean. They clean up everything. Installation, the windows are great. No problems, no issues whatsoever. Just really happy with this service here. So, excellent work.
Good. I noticed you got wood grain on the inside. How's that pleasing to you, and a good match it looks like?
Yes, it was able to get a good look for the entire window. Been happy with it. Coloring inside for that, for the wood grain, then also the outside was able to match up with some of the paint work that I have on the trim to a very close match to what I had.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem.